Today we're making this refreshing iced tea latte to beat the summer heat. These are all of the ingredients you're going to need. First off, you're going to bring your water to a boil. Meanwhile, you're going to add your tea bag to your preferred cup or glass. And you can also use tea leaves and add them to your boiling water instead. Once your water has boiled, add that to your mug. Let the tea bag sit for 2 to 3 minutes and then you can remove it. And then add in as much sugar as you prefer and mix it in. And then cover the tea, and once it has cooled, you can put it in the refrigerator. After about 2 to 3 hours, you can remove it. And add in some ice cubes. And then finally top it off with some milk. And your iced tea latte is ready to drink. I love to have something caffeinated on hand when I'm doing some college work or assignment. And since it's the summer, something cold is way better than a cup of hot tea. I hope you like this simple recipe and make sure to subscribe to stay up to date with new recipes, and I'll see you soon.